Bourrée. I want to see movement on your feet to B plus. Head goes down to the right again. Bourrée. Head to the left. Bourrée. Head to the right. And bourrée. Head to the left. What do you guys think about that?
Yes.
Easier, right? Awesome.
Good.
Okay, so you know what happens next. We go here, 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 here. You turn. This is the part that I want to be dramatic. You've got enough time to really ham it up for your parents, right?
Oh, it's sort of like the round thing.
Yeah, it's like the back bit.
Here.
I was enjoying the back.
Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit in your turn. Ham it up.
Ham it up.
Okay? All right.